Today, I'm excited to dive into 8 highest paying side hustles you can start right now, no matter where you are in the world. So, if you've been thinking about quitting your job or earning enough money on the side to escape a situation that just isn't working for you, then this video is for you. Now, I'm going to share some powerful ways to start generating independent income. And trust me, don't miss out on number 3 and number 7. They're real game changers. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Number 1 is bag flipping. Even Fortune magazine and Yahoo Finance have been buzzing about this trend because a lot of millennial and Gen Z people are literally getting the bag or with bags, no pun intended. So, how does bag flipping work? It's all about arbitrage. You buy something valuable at a lower price and then sell it where people are willing to pay more. Many people use platforms like Depop to do this, but some are going big with their own Shopify stores. Here's a great example: buying a brand new designer bag in one country and selling it in another where prices are higher. Now then, I check out Louis Vuitton's website, and prices in Paris were noticeably lower than in the US. So, some savvy folks are turning this into a lucrative side hustle by taking advantage of these price differences. So, if you're looking for a side hustle with high earning potential, bag flipping could be the ticket for you. And stay tuned because the next ideas are just as exciting. The second side hustle that's really gaining momentum right now is audiobook narration. Everyone, including some of the biggest names out there, seems to be writing books these days. However, many of these authors are too busy to record their own audiobooks, and that's where you come in. Amazon's Audible program offers a fantastic opportunity for freelancers to step in and narrate these audiobooks. So, if you've got a great speaking voice and you're looking for a side hustle with a reputable company like Amazon, this could be the perfect fit for you. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend, and welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things money. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help your girls' channel grow. Now then, on to number 3, which you definitely don't want to miss because it's been blowing up since 2023 and continues to gain traction in 2024. It's called print on demand, and it's available for just about everything. For example, I recently bought a journal from a print on demand store, and the process is so simple. If you want to start your own print on demand business, whether through Shopify or another platform, no need to worry about any of the back end work. Here's how it works. Your customers choose the product, the color, and the design they want. Once they place an order, a fulfillment platform like Printful takes care of the rest. Printful handles everything: fulfillment, shipping, packaging, and delivering the product directly to the customers. And the best part, the product arrives with your brand name on it, making it feel much more like your own business. What's great about Printful is that you don't pay for anything upfront. Let's say you decide to sell a journal for $40. You don't pay for the shipping or manufacturing because Printful handles all of that for you. There are no sign up fees or monthly charges. You only pay when someone orders from your store. For example, when a customer buys that journal for $40, that's when Printful steps in to fulfill the order and deliver it with your brand name. Now, if you're interested in starting a print on demand business with Printful, I'll drop a link in the comments below so you can get started for free. Number 4 on our list is a side hustle that's been gaining a lot of traction lately, especially on Instagram, gateway mentorship. So, what exactly is gateway mentorship? It's all about taking something you've successfully done and helping others to do the same. You become the gateway for them to achieve their goals. For instance, if you're a nurse, you can coach aspiring nurses on how to navigate nursing school and pass their exams. By sharing your knowledge and experience, you can earn extra income on the side by mentoring those who want to follow in your footsteps. The key is to sit down and document all the things you've accomplished that others might want to learn. It could be anything: your parenting style, how you landed your current job, or what other skills you have. Whatever it is, you can be a gateway mentor and help others achieve what you have already mastered. So, number 5, if you have a corporate job such as being a lawyer or an accountant, your expertise is highly valuable online and you can turn it into passive income. Seriously, many professionals are already doing this. Lawyers, for example, sell contract templates on their websites, earning money every time someone purchases them. Financial experts are also in the game selling budget templates. So, if you're an accountant and you can create and sell financial statement templates for business owners, the possibilities are endless and there's a huge demand for your skills outside of your 9 to 5. So, if you're looking to boost your income or even transition out of your job, this could be a great way to do it. So, then we have number 6. Podcasts are one of the fastest growing digital platforms today, and for good reasons. People are starting a podcast because they can be monetized in multiple ways when listeners spend 10, 20, or even 60 minutes with you on a podcast they're fully engaged with. This makes podcasts a goldmine for advertisers who want to reach out to your audience. And here's the best part: you don't even have to rely on advertisers. You can market your own products and even monetize your podcast on platforms like YouTube. Yes, YouTube now has a podcast feature because they're quick to jump on new trends. So, whether you love your 9 to 5 or you want to change, you want to travel the world, you have options. Don't let anyone convince you that you're stuck. You're not. And I'll keep showing up with resources like Printful and sharing educational content until you realize just how many options you have. Now, then, number 7 is selling social media templates. Social media is booming right now. It's a whole different ball game. Everywhere you look, new pages and channels are popping up left, right, and center. This explosion in social media has created a huge demand for good content in any genre, and that's where you come in. You just tap into this market by creating and selling social media templates. Think about it. You could offer templates for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram pages, or even dynamic reels for brand promotion. But here's the insider tip that no one else will tell you. The best place to promote your template is on Pinterest. Business owners flock to Pinterest for inspiration, and if they find your pins appealing, then you're just a click away from landing on your website. That's where it happens, converting your inspiration into sales. So, diving into a profitable niche, social media templates might just be the ticket for you. Get creative and use Pinterest to help you turn those ideas into real sales. Alrighty, number 8 is social documents. If you've created and have some skills under your belt, this could be a fantastic way to make an impact and earn some money. Building on what we discussed in point 6, not only can you create and sell social documents, think about things like brand content, templates, social media guides, or even content calendars. But you can also take it a step further by running your own agency. This means you can offer hands on support to help people create the content they need for their social media platforms. For instance, if you love photography or videography, you could offer services where people book you to shoot their content, whether it's for their Instagram, YouTube, or other platform. You can guide them on everything from how to pose to what clothes to wear to what colors work best. It's all about helping beginners shine on social media and showing them exactly how to present themselves in the best light possible. And remember, I'm cheering you on every step of the way. So keep believing in yourself. Until next time, take care, keep pushing. Bye for now.